Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the snipping tool so you can capture exactly what you need. Press Start, type Snipping tool, and open it. Once visible, choose New or hit Ctrl+N to begin. Make sure to pick a mode: rectangular for precise areas, freeform for irregular shapes, window for app captures, or full screen for everything. You should also set the delay if you need menus to appear. This lets you prepare the screen before the capture. Once you have the tool in mode, you make the actual selection and refine it. Drag the cursor to draw your rectangular or freeform selection, or click a window for a window snip. After the capture appears, use the pen and highlighter tools to annotate. This explains why the capture matters. Make sure to use the eraser to remove stray marks, and remember copy to paste immediately, or save with Ctrl+S into a folder for later sharing. To finish, save and share the image so others can see your point. Choose Save as PNG for best quality or JPG for smaller size, give the file a clear name, and pick a folder you'll remember, then attach or paste where needed. If you need menus, use delay and set enough seconds so menus appear. If the snipping tool fails to open, restart the app, check for updates, or sign out and back in to reset system hooks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.